Hello, I'm Captain Randy.
And I'm Shelley Tucker, and we're Yacht Charters Guru.
We just wanted to let you guys kind of know how we got started in the business. About 20-something years ago, we came down here on a trip, fell in love with the islands, and decided to sell everything and buy a boat.
That's right. And we love the industry so much that we stayed here and did almost 300 charters on our boat, and then later on sold it and became yacht charter brokers. Well, what is a yacht charter broker? Well, we book all these wonderful yachts all over the world, professionally crewed and operated, and mostly all-inclusive.
So that's what we've been doing here in St. Thomas and also Tortola in the past 2 weeks, is just looking at boats, meeting crew, so we can find the perfect boat and crew for you.
So come and join us. We'll help you find exactly what you need for your special vacation in paradise. Hi, Randy and Shelley Tucker with Yacht Charters Guru here at the most amazing charter yacht show in the BVI's at Nanny Key Marina in Tortola. This week we have viewed and interviewed at least 35 yachts.
No, I think more like 40.
Oh my gosh, it's been amazing.
Amazing.
So, yeah,
eclectic mix of boats.
Yeah, take a look at our videos and book a charter.
Yeah.
We're ready to help you out.